Today's digital infrastructure faces a crisis. As AI adoption explodes, so does its appetite for power. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt recently warned that AI data centers soon will consume up to 99% of the world's electricity. And yet, the hardware powering these systems, especially memory, remains one of the biggest power bottlenecks. Europe, in particular, is in a vulnerable position. While it consumes about 25% of the world's semiconductor memory, it produces 0% of that supply. And as the EU aims to double chip production capacity by 2030 and grow its market share from less than 10% to 20%, memory is the glaring strategic gap and also opportunity for Europe. Without it, there can be no digital sovereignty nor global leadership. Now imagine a different future, Europe leading in power-efficient, sustainable AI infrastructure, where energy-efficient memory chips power next-generation AI data centers from within the EU, cutting power use while securing local supply chains, data security, and strategic independence. This is what FMC's DRAM Plus and Cache Plus products will make possible. DRAM Plus is a non-volatile memory that delivers disruptive energy savings and power efficiency improvements in AI applications. It's designed not just to keep up with the AI demands, but to radically reduce its energy footprint. And we're not doing this alone. DRAM Plus and Cache Plus are the result of deep collaborations across Europe and globally, working with the European pilot lines of Ferroelectric in France, IMEC in Belgium, and Fraunhofer in Germany, in conjunction with our high-volume manufacturing and back-end partners in Asia and system partners in North America. Together, we're building these next-generation technologies in Europe with a global industrial ecosystem. This effort directly supports the EU Commission's goals for semiconductor leadership and sustainable growth. More importantly, it answers the call for action to secure Europe's infrastructure, reduce our climate impact while achieving leading performance, and to take a leadership role in one of the most critical technology spaces of our time.